guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you this yellow cut crease, something perfect for the spring and for the summer. I don't know about you, but if you're from a different area of the world, I'm tired of the snow. I hate the snow. I'm ready for warm weather, flowers to bloom. I'm just ready for that. So today I bring you this, and I did put on a lot of highlights, so something glowy for you as well. So let's just jump right into the video. I'm going in with this MakeupGeek single shadow in the shade Peach Smoothie, and I'm just running this about my crease. I'm using this as a transition shade just to make sure that everything blends seamlessly together. I did my foundation, concealer, powder, and brows off of camera just because everything's still the same, nothing has changed. I'm going into the MakeupGeek single shadow in the shade Desert Sand. It's like a dirty, mustardy brown. And I'm just running this about my crease a little bit lower than Peach Smoothie. I'm not carrying the color too high, but I'm just keeping it low. Dipping into my Toofaced Chocolate Bar palette, I'm going to go into the shade Milk Chocolate, and I'm going to run this along the outer V, and I'm going to slowly start dragging it into my crease as the product slowly leaves my brush. I'm going to go into the shade Semi-Sweet, and I'm going to put this along my outer V just to bring some definition into the look. I'm not going to drag that in as I did with the shade Milk Chocolate, so it's just going to be my outer V. Moving to the Jacyln Hill and Morphe palette, I'm going to go into the shade Central Park, and I'm going to use a small smudger brush from Sephora, and I'm just going to pack this on the outer portion of my V. I'm not going to use a fluffy brush because I don't want that color to be deposited everywhere and it's going to look messy. So I'm just going to use a smudger brush to place the color, and then I'm going to go in with a little fluffier brush. It's not as fluffy, it's a little bit more dense, and I'm just going to start blending that out, but to the direction where I want it to, so not anywhere above the crease, but lower than the crease. I'm using the BH Cosmetics number 7 brush. It's just an eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm going to go back to the shade Peach Smoothie just to make sure that everything is blended up seamlessly. As you can see, I'm kind of swooping out a little bit, like creating a cat eye look with the shadow, and that's exactly what I wanted to do, just so that later, once you put liner, you have that shape already there for you, so it's a perfect guideline. To create a cut crease, I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm going to run that along the back of my hand and take a flat brush and just run it along in my crease just to create a cut crease. Using the Jumbo Pencil to create a cut crease is a little bit difficult just because the product is not liquidy like concealer, so I found it a little bit hard. However, I really didn't want to use a concealer just because the concealer already has a pigment to it, and since I am going in with a bright yellow shadow, I really wanted the color to show through, so I definitely needed a white base. So it took time, but I got it there. I got the cut crease that I wanted. I'm going to use the NYX Primal colors in the shade Hot Yellow, and I'm going to start packing this where we laid that white base. So I'm just packing it on to the intensity that I want it to be. Going back in with the shade Milk Chocolate and Semi-Sweet, and I'm just going to start packing that on where the yellow stops, so I can have like a nice transition blend. So from the Milk Chocolate to the Semi-Sweet and then back into Central Park. Using a fluffy brush with no additional product, I'm just going to blend the edges together just to make sure that everything is blended seamlessly and that there are no harsh lines. Now going into this Sephora kit, I'm going to take this gold and I'm going to spray it with my Mariela Badescu face mist. And I just wanted to have a little bit of shimmer to it, but I didn't want an intense gold, I just wanted a yellow gold. So I'm just applying this to where I placed down that NYX hot yellow color. Next, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula bronzer in the shade, it's Magic Mosaic shade Bronzer. And I'm going to start bronzing my face just to add some warmth. I'm going to go in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. And I'm just going to start adding some colors to my cheeks. Going in with the Kathleen Lights in MakeupGeek highlighting palette, I'm going to go in with the shade Sunlight, and I'm just taking this brush that has no name, but it is a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to start highlighting the high points of my cheeks, my cupid's bow, my nose. I'm also adding highlight above the brow as well. When my mom saw this look, she said, "You look very glowing." I said, "Thanks, that's what I was going for." So yeah. I'm using that same shade and I'm highlighting the brow bone as well. I did add a wing off camera, but you can do it as dramatic or as little as you want. And now dipping back into Semi-Sweet in Milk Chocolate, and I'm running this on my lower lash line with the Cosemetics No. 7 brush. It's just a fluffy brush. I wanted to apply this messily on the lower lid rather than precisely. Now I'm just adding a coat of the Toofaced Better than Sex Mascara to my top and lower lashes. Going back in with the Chocolate Bar palette, I'm going to use the shade Creme Brulee and mix it with white chocolate just to highlight the inner portions of my eyes. I ended up applying the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Famous, but as I was applying, I thought it was a little too peachy for the look, so I ended up going on top of it with the Tarte Tarteist Lip Paint in the shade Birthday Suit. I believe that's what it's called. It came in with that little birthday gift from Sephora, came in with the blush party. So I believe the lipstick is called Birthday Suit. So I just put it on just because I wanted the lips to be more pink rather than peach. So yeah, that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look as much as I did. It's something that I will be using a lot for the spring and the summer. I feel like yellow is such a good color, like such a good eyeshadow color to work with because it's adding a pop of color, but I feel like it can go with many outfits. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or recommendations as to what makeup look I should do next, please leave a comment down below with your suggestions. So yeah, that completes this video. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day or night wherever you may be, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!